I'm quite excited. I want to get the vaccine, so I look forward to have it as soon as possible.
Those under 60 hoping to get vaccinated in Quebec can check out this calendar to see when they'll be able to make an appointment, as the province announced they're opening up vaccinations for the general population, with appointments happening for all in the next 2 weeks.
The first category by age starting from 50 years old to 59. That's as of tomorrow. On Monday, Wednesday, and next Friday, we move to the category of 40 years old, 45, 40, and 35 under those 3 dates. And what we call the Week of the Youth will be in the following youth. So by May 14, all the population, all the adult population would have been able to take their appointment.
Health officials saying Quebec has satisfied vaccinations in essential service workers and people with chronic illnesses, making it possible to move to the under 60 categories, allowing new age group categories to open up every 2 days by 5 years of age each time.
The reason we have selected this 2 days delay by each category is to make sure that people can have access, a privileged access.
Montrealers we spoke to are ready to make their appointments.
As soon as I can, I will sign up, have an assignment, and hopefully it'll be as fast as I can. But I mean, everyone has to get it, so I'll be patient and wait for my turn.
I'm excited for everybody to just be vaccinated. Everybody that wants to be vaccinated to just get the vaccine, so we actually impact a higher number of population.
Over 3 million doses have been administered in the province so far, more than 76,000 of which are second doses. Those in Quebec CHSLDs are expected to get their second doses by May 8th. 35% of the population vaccinated with at least 1 dose or more.
We wanted to vaccinate. Now we can say I've got a dream, and the dream is coming true. So really that's the feeling I have today, and I hope that the population is going to be there, because vaccine is the way to get away from that terrible disease.
From the data that we've seen coming out of the UK and coming out of Israel, when we reach that 50% mark threshold, we start seeing the cases really going down. And so, it's good to be optimistic about these things, because this is indication that vaccines work.
Projections from Quebec's Public Health Institute Thursday show that if current measures in place are strongly followed and vaccinations continue as planned, the Montreal region could see a decrease in hospitalizations in May. But if measures aren't followed, there could be an increase in cases.
These variants mean business. And so if there's a little outbreak somewhere, the possibility of an exponential growth is there. And so what that means is we still have to be vigilant, but we can rest easy knowing that as more and more people get vaccinated, the risk of these outbreaks happening is less and less likely to occur.
I want this pandemic to be like in the past, and I want to just live again.
In Montreal, Alyssia Rubertucci, City News.
I can't say how Major General Fortin feels, but I think this is great news.
Some provinces prepare to start mass vaccination.